Dear fans, dear followers, I am delighted that I can finally show you our Opel Experimental. Our trend-setting concept car that we will present to the public for the first time at the IAA Mobility in September this year. Admittedly, we made the reveal journey exciting. First, we announced the name, Opel Experimental. This made it clear that we had something big in the pipeline. After all, we have set milestones in the past with the Experimental GT and the GTX Experimental. Then we showed the first teaser images of our new concept car. The 4D visor with the illuminated new Opel Blitz could already be seen. And so could the razor-sharp rear lights, as well as the precision in every little detail. Now we are showing the first photos of the whole vehicle. And I can proudly present the Opel Experimental to you today. Here it is, our IAA study 2023. The Opel Experimental gives an outlook on upcoming models and technologies, on the future design, even on a new era and the future of the Opel brand. This concept car represents our three brand pillars. Detox. The Experimental offers projection technology instead of conventional screens, as well as a great feeling of space, and that in the compact class. Modern German, a design with fantastic proportions combined with a battery electric four-wheel drive. And Greenovation, sustainable materials, no chrome but maximum aerodynamic efficiency for low energy consumption. And as you know, every new model introduced as of 2025 by Opel will be available exclusively with battery electric drive. In summary, the Opel Experimental is pure German energy. This is Opel.